Hi, this is Jen, Reclaim Artist, and I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Instead of focusing on my house, because there are only so many walls I can kick down, I'm going to focus on more of the projects I've been doing. The one for today almost didn't get made because I didn't even think to film it until partway through, and it was later in the process that I realized I should probably be filming horizontally instead of vertically, but I just love how it turned out, so I wanted to share. So like, subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks. I picked up this $5 stool at my favorite thrift store. It was missing a rung, very used, but still quite sturdy. As always, the first step is to clean with a heavy-duty degreaser. My original plan was to stain the stool, but I decided to paint the lower portion in white, which makes it almost look like it was dipped in paint. I took some wood filler, mixed it with some water, and brushed it on the lower portion of the stool so that the grain marks wouldn't show through the finished paint. After using more of the wood filler to fill in cracks and gaps on the top of the stool, I used these wood furniture and floor repair markers to color correct and disguise the wood filler. Then it was time to prime the lower part of the stool, which is way more difficult holding a camera than I expected. I decided on Odie's oil for the finish and made two mistakes. One was using Odie's oil over the paint and stain. It's a wonderful product, but it does perform its best over raw wood where it can really soak into the wood fibers. My second mistake was not applying the product as liberally as I had in the past. I simply used too much. I waited 45 minutes afterwards and buffed it as per the instructions, but the next day I noticed there was still a bit of oil left, so I had to keep buffing until I removed all of that excess product. I definitely made it more difficult than I needed to a few times during this project with painting over the tape and overusing the finish. But in the end, this sad little beaten up stool has a pretty good new life. And I love how this one turned out. Hey, this is Jen, Reclaim Artist. No. So, some are small, some are large, yeah. Because there's so many, there's only, so here's, I decided to film it into partway and enjoy taste of it.